Hey guys, we got the old Red Ryder here. Might shoot it tomorrow, do a video, something. So, he's gay. Yeah, the upload rate might be slow. So, but yeah, official logo from Daisy. You know, basic. There's the other side. I took off the leather piece because it got annoying. Like, you know, when you open this, and then you put it back in, the leather got caught in that a lot. So I took that off. Just a metal ring. Cool. Just my friend showed me something.
The original owner of the account.
Yeah.
Figured people stealing my identity.
He's joking. He let me use his account.
Yeah. Yeah, he's not forced to make it this is my will or anything.
So here's the opening thing. It's really, it's like, I think you oil it here, right in there. Safety thing, right there, safety button. Keep it on safety when you're in the house. That's pretty much it. Got this on my birthday. Just like a month ago or two, so, right? Yeah. Alright. See you guys. Subscribe. Like this video. You know what to do.